In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to make your own emojis on your iOS 26 update in iPhone or iPad. So to do that, you can open the message app, and once you open it, you have to tap on this edit option over here and tap on setup name and photo. And now you can see I have already made my own emoji. Now just tap on the this emoji option. Tap on this. Does it make? Or you can tap on customize option. So now tap on this, and now tap on this add button over here to make your own emoji guys. So it's Memoji actually. So now you can choose, you can make your own emoji. Like you can choose a tone, then you can choose a hairstyle. I think is there no option to change the gender? Because yeah. And third thing you can do is your brows. So my brows look like this one or this one. And eyes, my eyes are a bit yeah, that's better. Head must be, yeah, it's very normal. Nose is look like, yeah, let's make it this. Mouth has to be look like, my upper lip is a bit thinner, so I can make it. Ears are in medium size. Facial, so you can just choose as per your guys choice. I wear glasses, so I'll choose this one. And headgear, I don't wear headgear. So clothing will be, this is look better, this will look better. Body has to be, yeah, this is better. No, yeah, I'm a bit fit, so yep, just tap on. Once you're done with this, just, this is how guys you can make it. So this is how you can make your own emoji. Now you can send it to anyone using your emoji guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.